How to add tip on DoorDash after delivery. So first up, if you want to add a tip during delivery, select the option to add any tip for Dasher after checkout or in your Dasher app, regardless of whether you already tipped during your checkout. If you're using DoorDash on desktop, then please remember to tip your Dasher in cash upon delivery. Note that when adding a tip after checkout, your original payment method may be refunded for the original order total and charged for the updated order total, which includes the added tip. To tip during delivery, after you place your order and are assigned a Dasher, add a tip from the progress screen by clicking Add Tip. To tip after the order is complete, for up to 30 days after, from the Orders tab, click on View Receipt and then select the option to add tip. You can also adjust or add a tip by contacting support for any completed order made up to 30 days after. For tipping in selected markets, these steps represent how you can leave a tip for your Dasher, and that is how you tip on DoorDash after delivery.